Robinhood is an American online stock trading app that was founded in 2013 by CEO Vlad Tenev and Baiju Bhatt, who had previously been working developing trading platforms for financial institutions. Tenev and Bhatt, both Stanford graduates, say they were inspired to provide everyone with access to financial wealth, not just the wealthy, after having experienced the 2011 Occupy Wall Street protests. Both Tenev and Bhatt have strong academic backgrounds, with the latter holding a bachelor's in physics and master's in mathematics, while the former a bachelor in mathematics and an uncompleted PhD, dropping out to work with Bhatt on Robinhood. Robinhood provides an app and web-based trading service for both stocks and a limited amount of cryptocurrencies. It's made its mark on the industry by being one of the very few trading platforms that offered commission-free trades. Coupled with its sleek UI, it's become a favorite amongst young investors. The company plans on expanding its crypto offerings, offering retail investors access to IPOs, including its own, and offering an Acorn-like service where spare change is automatically invested. However, competitors have been quick to offer similar commission-free trades and services. Robinhood has also had a number of PR disasters, with the worst being the decision to prevent users from buying stocks or options in GameStop during the GameStop short squeeze. The decision was heavily criticized by Robinhood's user base, and CEOs of Vlad Tenev's subsequent interviews to explain the situation did not help. Recently, the company also revealed that it was under investigation by FINRA in regards to both Tenev and Bhatt lacking proper licenses from the aforementioned regulatory group. That said, Robinhood continues to onboard new users and is largely succeeding in its mission to make investing accessible to the masses. Robinhood has grown from 12 million to 18 million users in Q1 of this year alone. But does this lead to financial success, and is the company worth investing in? In 2020, Hood had a net revenue of $958 million, a 245% year-on-year increase from 2019, and is on pace to exceed $2 billion in revenue in 2021 based off Q1 numbers. The company had its first profitable year in 2020, with an adjusted EBITDA of $155 million and a net income of $7.4 million. EBITDA has grown to $115 million in Q1, but Robinhood suffered a net loss of $1.4 billion on the quarter due to what Robinhood claims is a fair value adjustment to their convertible notes and warrant liability. As of March 31st, Robinhood holds total assets of $15 billion with total liabilities of $8.86 billion. The majority of expenses are split between marketing, R&D, general and administrative expenses, with a notable amount being paid in brokerage and transaction fees. Q1 revenue was largely made up of transaction-based revenues, with a smaller percentage being earned from interest off assets. Robinhood has more than $80 billion worth of assets under their custody, comprised of $65 billion in equities, $2 billion in options, and nearly $12 billion in crypto. So is it worth buying at current valuations? As part of the IPO, Robinhood is looking to raise around $2 billion by selling 52.4 million shares at a finalized price of $38. In a bit of irony, Robinhood is offering its own users the ability to buy within the original IPO range, plus a 20% buffer. If we accept increased revenues of $2 billion for 2021, we can estimate a year-end adjusted EBITDA of $500 million. Taking a much more modest but still aggressive growth rate of around 50% year-on-year, we get a 2026 adjusted EBITDA of around $3.8 billion. Using the same EBITDA multiple of 25x that I used in my SoFi valuation, which you can watch using the link in the upper hand corner, and a 10% discount rate, we get a 1-year price target of around $75. As always, please do your own research before opening any position. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are just my opinions. Personally, I think Robinhood has considerable room for growth. To date, it only trades within the United States, and has only recently started trading cryptocurrencies. Although leadership has been heavily criticized and are quite clearly inexperienced, I believe both Vlad Tenev and Baiju Bhatt can be very capable leaders. I'll be opening a small position in Hood as part of the IPO on Robinhood's platform, but will not be making any significant investments until the IPO hype has died down. Do you plan on purchasing Robinhood stock? Leave a comment below. But most of all, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and invest safe.